how are you helping to increase your influence and messages on Asian Americans who don't have an opinion when it comes to politics?
No Asian American voter should be okay with our current affirmative action policies. There are zero, I repeat, zero laws on the books that legally discriminate against Black Americans right now. We have laws on the books that legally discriminate against Asian American students. This is an outrage. This is racial segregation at its finest, and it's okay because Asian Americans have done well over the last 60 years because they studied, they kept their communities safe, they went to school, they got married before they had kids, they got jobs, and through intergenerational stratification, they become the richest subgroup by race in America, and all of a sudden that's okay to discriminate against them. It is pure and simple racism. I had a liberal tell me the other day, well, Charlie, what? You want an entire lecture hall at UC Berkeley to be all Asians?
Why not?
Like, why not? What, are you racist against Asian Americans? If they're
Right.
the smartest and the best
Right.
in school, then that's fine.
Right.
And so that I think affirmative action is the most important thing.